Alright, this will be the third one here.
So you folks, if you would, please move back this way. Everyone go over this way, please.
So he's going to make this fall to the right?
He's going to make it fall right there. It's leaning this way and then back this way. So right. Okay, this way, everyone move
Hopefully he
this
won't
way,
squash his soda. Hopefully he won't squash his soda.
That's what he's looking to do.
That's what he wants to
Oh, he
do.
wants to
He
take
put it
out his
there
soda?
deliberately. Yeah. I'm notching it right
I
now.
really think they should cut a chunk off and make a
See
little
how
mini blackberry.
crooked that is, huh?
Finish it off.
Alright, notching right now.
Now he's going to
I'm putting the cut right in the center. Right straight through.
Now you'll notice all the work is done. All the physics are out of the tree. It's still leaning to the side and back, but now he's going to offset that lean with he's going to place one wedge in there. You'll notice the tongue starts moving a little bit.
I don't want to get anybody else again.
Okay.
Alright.
All the back fibers have been cut. You see it's overcoming.
Yeah,
It's overcoming the
moving.
back lean right now.
Just to help straighten it out. Have control on which way to direct the log. Alright, just about standing straight. Yeah, straight now.
There it is.
There you go.
Come on, do it!
Hey, got a soda. Alright, perfect. Alright, good job. Hey, there you go. Alright.
Check the hinges out.
There you go. Alright, be sure to join me as a friend. Bye-bye.